Good morning. Happy 4th of July.
Happy birthday, America.
Happy birthday, America. We got our Taco Bell breakfast. Barely. We barely made the cutoff. So we're on our way to Bend, and we're taking the scenic route, going through Mount Hood instead of going down the freeway a little bit and going over. And we're gonna find a fireworks show to watch in Bend this evening, and just to kind of hang out in the town, I think, this evening. And then tomorrow, the next 3 days, so today is Thursday, then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we're hiking and things. Saturday we have a horse ride, trail ride scheduled, which should be a lot of fun. I grew up riding, and you rode horses, he did lessons, right? But I've been really missing riding, so I'm excited to go. It's at Black Butte Ranch, and then we're gonna hike at the Painted Hills and Smith Rock, and we're gonna check out some caves in the area too. So lots of adventuring.
Yep.
And the weather's supposed to be really nice. It's supposed to be like 80 today, and 84 tomorrow, and then 80, and then 76 on Sunday. So sounds good for hiking. Anyway, we're gonna eat breakfast. We call this the mini canyon. We're like an hour and 15 minutes or so outside of Bend, so I don't know exactly where we are. The last time we drove this, it was snowy. Because last time was when we were going to some river. While we were driving through the more wooded, foresty area, it was just, there were butterflies everywhere. They're everywhere. They're sitting on the road, like just laying out on the road, flying in herds. I've never seen so many butterflies just like out in the wild like that. We're in Bend, and as we were driving in, I was just kind of planning out what we were gonna do. So we're thinking we're gonna go check into our hotel now. Well, first we're gonna go scope out where we're gonna watch fireworks tonight, but then we're gonna go check into our hotel, and then we're gonna go to Tumalo Falls, which is a viewpoint, apparently just a couple minute walk from where you park, but also there's some hikes, so we might do like just like a short little hike. And then tomorrow we're gonna go to Painted Hills. That won't take all day, but it is like an hour, maybe an hour and a half drive.
In 1,000 feet, turn left.
Excuse you, Google. We're headed to Pilot Butte right now, which is where they set the fireworks off from, and so we just want to scope it out. But here, I guess this is it right here, and the road just kind of spirals up around it. Oh, it's closed. Uh-oh. I've heard that Moody is a good place to watch the fireworks from, and then we just had to stop at Best Buy, and the reason we had to go there was because we realized that we forgot our headlamps for caves. When we were checking out, the cashier, he asked what we were doing tonight, and he said, well, we want to watch fireworks, where do you recommend? And he suggested Moody too, which is a recommendation I'd already heard. Oh no, look at this. Look at all these flamingos. That is awesome. Hold on, I have to take a picture. So now we are headed to our hotel, and it's called Cascade Lodge. And I booked this like 3 weeks ago, so we weren't planning on doing anything. We just planned last minute. So there wasn't a lot left, and the stuff that was left that was like, you know, more well-named brands of hotels was like $300 a night just for a regular room. So this is just like a little, seems to be like a family run, I want to say like 30 room hotel. It's not just like a motel little thing, but the reviews say it's really clean and that the staff is really friendly, and honestly that's all that matters to me. If it's clean is like the #1 thing for me. So, and not $300 a night. So we're at our hotel, Cascade Lodge, and it's just really nice. It's like right in the middle of Bend, and there are some rooms, like, let me see, there's like another building right over there, like right up at the street, that I was like, oh, I hope we're not in that building. We're not. We're in room 43 here, which is the farthest back basically that you can get from the road, so that's pretty cool. I can barely hear the road noise from here. Once we get in and close the door, you won't hear it at all. But it's just so nice. They're really put together here. Like, we went to go check in, and they had already like charged all the cards, and she just went through the stack of receipts and then pulled ours out so that we could sign it, and Yeah, oh cute. It has AC, right? Yes, in there. Okay. Okay, so we have a little baby fridge and microwave. And how the heck do I turn this lamp on? Look at that phone. We have a chair and a desk, and we have a closet. And we need the AC on. It's a little warm in here right now. Okay, oh, we have an ironing board and iron, and here's the bathroom. I like how high the counter is.
Yeah.
It's kind of exactly what I expected.
Don't need any more space. Perfect.
Yeah. Clean and not fancy at all. It's a pretty short room tour because there's not much room, but
Yeah.
it's more than enough, or not more than enough, but it's just the right amount of space for us.
Yeah.
So we're gonna unload the car and then we're gonna go check out those waterfalls, I think. So we're at Tumalo Falls and there are, can you see these on my hand? I don't know what these things are, but they're all over me and they're itchy. So here's Tumalo Falls.
It's really pretty. Like it looks like from like a painting or something.
Bob Ross.
It doesn't look real. It looks like it was man-made.
Yeah, it doesn't look real. There is, oh look, there's a viewpoint up there.
Yeah, so I said like,
That's
I
where
think we're gonna hike
right?
to.
Okay. Austin wanted to continue on the trail up the mountain, and it's really cool, really quiet, and we're just walking along the stream over here. Can you see it through the trees? You can hear it. It's so pretty. Austin says this seems like something you'd see in like the Rocky Mountains, and then he pointed over there and said he's just expecting to see a bear like trying to catch fish or something. I hope not though, because that scares me. You're gonna fall in. How are you gonna come back now? Oh my goodness. We found evidence of aliens, and Austin's gonna add to it. Oh, nice. Look, there's more.
Yep.
So many aliens. I forgot what they're called. There's a word, like a carn. No, C-A-I-R-N. I don't know how you pronounce it exactly, but that's what these stacks are called. And it's not actually aliens. We are aware. We know it's people, but we just like to joke that it's aliens. We were just joking about our review of this place, and I said I like it. There's too many bugs, so we decided 4 out of 5 stars. Too many bugs.
That's gonna be the review, the Yelp review. 4 out of 5 stars. Too many bugs.
But I have to tell you what just happened. We were just like walking, talking, whatever, and I felt something on my hand, and I was carrying the GoPro, and I looked up my hand, like I picked it up to look at it, and there was a mosquito currently drinking out of my hand, and I screamed and threw the GoPro, and now it's all covered in dirt.
I wish it was recording.
He wished I'd been recording when that happened so that we could just see me like talking and then suddenly scream and the GoPro goes flying.
Yeah, and I would have paused it right when she realized it and seeing the face.
See my face?
Yeah, exactly. It's funny.
Yeah.
And I'm all
Now you're all itchy too, right?
itchy from thinking about
Mosquitoes, yeah, ew. So we're heading out now because we're not trying to get our blood sucked by all the mosquitoes.
Yeah, I like my blood.
Yeah, we'd like to keep it. There was a fire here that you can tell. What are you doing? He's leaving me, guys. You can tell because of the way that it is. I'm kidding. Because the trees are black and there's burnt stuff. But look at this giant rock. It's huge. How did this giant rock get here? We're guessing it fell down off of that mountain up there and just like rolled and rolled. Where's Simba?
I need Simba.
Here's Simba. Can you catch it?
Yeah.
Nope, not if I throw it that badly. Try again. Okay, ready? Third time's a charm. I'm bad at throwing, I'm bad at catching. This is not my sport. Okay. It's because I'm throwing with my right hand because I'm holding the GoPro in my left hand.
Where are you?
Something else just touched me.
It probably broke off.
Ow! Oh, I just stabbed myself. I'm bleeding.
Really?
Yes! Tiny. With the tiniest drop of blood. Okay, ready? Woo! Okay. It's...
No.
You gotta smear the stuff on his forehead.
Oh yeah. Smear.
There you go.
Smear.
There you go.
It's like the gift where it's just like
Yeet! We're losing it. I think we need more sleep or something. I don't know. Too much fresh air. Is that what it is?
yeah.
Yeah, we've had too much fresh air.
Straight from a painting.
I have one of these little fans where like you wear it right here and you switch it on and it blows up at my face. And the car thermometer was saying 80 degrees, but we got out of the car and like I have goosebumps. It's not 80 degrees. It's maybe 70. So I haven't had to use it, but it's pretty cool. Definitely works. We just went to Walmart.
You've arrived.
And Google's telling us we've arrived back at our hotel. We went to Walmart because we needed a couple snacks and a couple items and some cash so that we actually can have cash for like the national park, you know, day use fees and that kind of thing. We never carry cash, so we had to get some. And now we are back at our hotel, which I think I said before has a pool, and I keep eyeing it. Like I might need to get in the pool. They have floaties even that you can use. Someone took our parking spot.
It's the guy that was next to us. Those
Oh. We left and they were like, oh, hurry, move the car, take their spot. Anyway, so we're back at our hotel because we got some frozen food and we need to put it in the freezer. And then it's 7 o'clock, so I think then we need to go find ourselves some dinner and either find something and sit and eat it or get something and take it to the park probably so that we can get a spot. I'm kind of worried. I don't know. I'm worried that we're already too late. I don't know. We'll find out. Hopefully we can squeeze in somewhere and find somewhere to park. I'm having bad luck. We went to Chipotle. It was closed. It closed at 3 today.
Turn left on the Southwest Division.
Next to it was Five Guys. So Austin got himself some Five Guys. And then I just really want Mexican food. Or, you know, burritos. We went and we found some place called Super Burrito and they were closed. And so then we went tried this other place called, I can't even remember what it was called, and it's closed. So I don't know. Austin's got food, but I'm a vegetarian, so Five Guys isn't that great for me because they don't have a veggie burger. They do have a grilled cheese, so I can just get everything that a burger would have minus the burger patty, which isn't bad, but it's just not really what I'm in the mood for right now. But I think what we're gonna have to do is go to Carl's Jr. because Carl's Jr. has an Impossible Burger. And it's the 4th of July, so having burgers on the 4th of July makes sense, right? That's what Austin was thinking.
Yeah, that's why I want Five Guys and also haven't gotten it in so long.
Yeah. The Impossible Burger at Carl's Jr. is really good. I wasn't really in the mood for a burger, so oh well. Some food is better than no food, so it will be good. I lied. It's not Impossible Burger. It's Beyond Burger that Carl's Jr. has. And they're open. I would wonder if that was recording in time to catch that. I was like,
Hi, Jones.
do you hear someone's car alarm going off?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're right here at Moody Park. Like, look at our parking spot here. Right there. Oh, hold on. There's something on the camera lens. Come on. Come on.
That's fine.
Okay, whatever. I'll get it later. Anyway, so we were sitting in the car eating because we are parked right here, so we didn't need to hurry or anything. A big firework went off while we were in the car and we jumped. And then I heard something land on the roof and I was like, did like firework just land on the roof? And we got out and look.
It's cardboard from the bottle rocket.
It was right here on the top of the car. So, yeah, my burger was really good. How was yours?
It's delicious. It's juicy.
We're nice and full. Oh yeah, look at this. He dripped. Can you see? You can't really see, but there's like a grease stain there from his burger. It's so greasy. Okay, we're gonna go find a spot. We found our spot. So apparently the fireworks are supposed to happen right in front of us, right over there. So we'll see how good this spot is. Everybody behind us is facing this way, so that feels like a good sign.
Yeah.
Do you like our lights? Like Austin has a flashy necklace, and I love this. This, of course, what I'm wearing reminds me of Disney because it feels like a giant daisy duck bow, so I love it. And we're just sitting here watching TikTok videos and things, entertaining ourselves because the fireworks don't start for another 50 minutes. Oh, hold this for me for a second. And we got this as our fireworks treat.
It's America's birthday, so we're having a birthday cake.
America's birthday, so yeah. We're gonna have birthday cake, Three Musketeers. We've never tried it, but they look really good. So, yeah, we're gonna have that a little later. That was fun. I'm so happy. I don't remember if I was saying this on the camera earlier or if I was just talking to Austin, but I was talking about how, like, this is our 7th 4th of July together. This is probably my favorite one. It's always been like he's rushing to the fireworks when he gets off work and then we're late and we miss half of them, or we just don't really have good plans and we just kind of show up somewhere and the fireworks are
scrambling to find a place.
Trying to find a place to sit and everything. But with this one, we were afraid that we were going to be late when we got there at 8:30 because it was only an hour and a half before the fireworks started, and people were saying make sure you get there early to get a spot and that kind of thing. And it was not even full. Like, during the fireworks there was still plenty of space. So I don't know if that's not normal or what, but from the experience I just had, I would recommend Moody Park to watch the fireworks if you're watching from Bend. Because yeah, it wasn't crowded. The only thing is that Austin and I before have watched the fireworks at Fort Vancouver in Washington, and that's probably been my favorite 4th of July show because there's music. They play music along to the fireworks. So I like when there's music. That makes it more Disney-esque, because we were talking about how, like, these fireworks shows that these cities do on the 4th of July are probably as good or more fireworks than Disney does, but Disney is just such a better show because they have the castle and they have the lights and the music and everything. So you can't compete when So Fort Vancouver has music, which makes it a little bit better of a show. But the only time we went to Fort Vancouver was rushing to get there, and it's crowded and you can't find anywhere to park, and it costs like $20 to park, and then we were late and we missed the first like 5 minutes of the fireworks, and it was rough. We're headed back to the hotel now. I'm excited to just wash the sunscreen off and get in pajamas, and no alarms in the morning. We're just gonna sleep until we wake up, and then we'll head to the Painted Hills whenever we get ready. So it's gonna be nice and relaxing.